Hi everyone! I hope you're having a good first week of summer school. I just wanted to check in and make sure you understand the homework for this week. I'm going to click on our week 1 module. You can find all the homework assignments here on the week 1 overview. For Tuesday, the assignment was to watch the video about how to navigate this course and also to read the syllabus and take the quiz. That was due yesterday, but if you didn't have time to do it, you can still turn it in late. You have 4 assignments due this Friday, and I'm going to talk about each of these 4 assignments. Here's the syllabus quiz. If you didn't have time to do it, please do it. You just click here, read it, and then take the quiz. Okay, for your first assignment, you need to do a discussion post where you introduce yourself to the class. You can write a short paragraph explaining who you are. You can answer these questions or anything you want to write about. You can also make a video if you want and insert pictures. And if you write, you want at least 50 words. After, you're going to read your students' posts and write 2 questions. 1 question for each student. The comments are due Sunday, so you have extra time for that. When you're ready to make your discussion post, you click Reply below the directions, and then you introduce yourself, okay? When you're finished, you click Post, Reply. Here's an example right here. I wrote a short paragraph about myself, I inserted a picture, and I made a video. You don't have to do all of these, but introduce yourself, okay? And then you ask a question. Like here, Emily asked me a question. To ask a question, you click Reply. So here we're practicing having a conversation on this discussion board, okay? So remember, this discussion post is due Friday, comments Sunday. Your second assignment due this Friday is a grammar lesson about parts of speech. We talked a little bit about it last Zoom session. Watch the video and then take this quiz. Also, you have a mini grammar lesson about adjectives. Watch the video, and you have an optional assignment. You can join our group on Facebook and post a photo to our Facebook page. We will write sentence in the comments using adjectives. You can write comments about your own photo or comments on other students' photos, but we're going to be practicing using different adjectives like beautiful, lovely, colorful, lively, interesting, blue, red. So adjectives are words that describe things. So here's our Facebook page. I posted a photo here, and in the comments section, you can use adjectives to describe the photo, like, my mask is colorful. So my adjective is colorful. Yeah, or riding a bike is fun. So my adjective is fun, okay? So feel free to join our Facebook group to do that. Or if you don't like Facebook, you could type it and email it to me, or write it on a piece of paper and take a picture and send it to me. But basically, you take a photo and you describe it using adjectives. Your fourth assignment, before the fourth, this is a vocabulary lesson with some adjectives you might want to use in your writing assignment. This is a poem you're going to be writing about where you're from, And so you can review these words in the Quizlet. If you don't know how to use Quizlet, you can watch this video, but these are flashcards. It has the word and then the definition. Overcast, what does that mean? Covered with clouds. So this is an adjective we use to describe the weather. Rainy, having a lot of rain. You also have this week a writing assignment about where you're from. This is a poem. So this page here explains what poetry is, why we're going to be reading them, and writing them. If you can't attend our Zoom session tomorrow, this video kind of goes over what we'll be doing in Zoom. But these are some example where I am from, and like people say, I'm from Mexico, or I'm from China, I'm from Greece, I'm from Italy. But these poems go deeper, like maybe you're from your experiences and people who are important to you. So we're going to read 2 example poems. Each poem has questions we'll go over in Zoom and vocabulary. Okay, so read those before the Zoom session if you can on Thursday. That would help. And then here are the instructions for the writing assignment. Okay, you're going to write your own where I am from. And in the Zoom session, we're going to brainstorm. Think of ideas of what to write about, like people who are important to you, special foods or meals, smells, tastes, games, or activities. And the poem is structured like this. I am from, and from, I am from. And you want to use at least 3 adjectives. After, you'll write comments, okay? What did you find interesting? What similarities or differences do you have? And here's my example of my where I am from. So this is due Friday, okay? And you can insert a picture if you want. Mine is as an attachment, but okay, so that's the homework for Friday. I look forward to seeing you in Zoom tomorrow at 7 o'clock. If you'd like to attend tutoring, that's going to be from 5 to 7 before my session. Melissa's going to be going over adjectives with you, and you'll get time to practice using adjectives and learning new adjectives. And in my session, we're going to talk about the poems and brainstorm ideas and discuss ideas. Okay, I look forward to seeing you tomorrow, and have a great evening.